Well, slight technical issue with the other one. When I powered it on, it didn't actually seem to, when I flicked the power switch, it didn't seem to do anything. And the book, a little booklet that came with it, was only the adapter reference for each tube base. I'm guessing there was another book which would have had all the tube data, which doesn't appear to be there. But I could probably figure it out eventually. But I thought, well, okay, the German one doesn't go, and I don't have the data sheets for the tube characteristics, so I'll just go with the good old faithful leader here. So right, let's give this a go. Now I cleaned the cigarette gunk off the tube neck because you couldn't actually see in there at all because it was just covered in gunk and nicotine. So actually make sure the filament's going to light. Actually doesn't look too badly discolored or burnt in there. It doesn't look like it's had. I mean, the set's been used, but it doesn't look too bad in there. But oh, as we all know, looks are deceiving. Right, so we'll adjust the heater to 6.3. Where's my adjuster? Adjust heater to 6.3. Actually put it on 6 actually just for now. And we have, yep, definitely the filament's okay. We have filament glow there, which is good. I've just watched back my footage just now, and I've noticed I'm not sure whether it's me holding the camera, but I've noticed the picture, the actual image is quite jerky at times. I'm not quite sure whether it's myself or whether it's the camera. Even though I've got video stabilization on, it's still a bit glitchy, so I'm not quite sure why that is. I apologize in advance. So yeah, right. So what have we got here? We're on 6 volts. HK leakage? No, that's all good. Now set the grid voltage to 45, which is pretty standard actually for most of these tubes. Now, have we got cutoff? We have got some cutoff there. Right, do we have emission? We do. We do indeed. Not great, but don't know when this thing actually had any power through it. Don't even know when the set was last used, so the CRT could come up with a bit of use. But yeah, I'm actually noticing that's actually climbing as well. Oh, hang on. We've actually got it on 6. We've actually got it on 6 volts, not 6.3. So I might adjust it up to 6.3. About there. I'll try that again. That's a bit better. Oh, there we go. That's looking a bit more promising. Yeah, that's actually going to produce a picture. It will definitely produce a picture of sorts. Yep. Well, that is a good sign. We have good picture tube emission, which is promising, I guess. Going by that. And it's actually climbing too. I dare say this set has not had power on it for years. Yeah, look at it, it's actually climbing as we speak. So, I actually paused the previous video and then I went to look to see where that other tube tester was made to confirm it was Germany, and then I somehow managed to stop the video. So this will be probably now be a multiple part. So this will be probably part 2 now you're looking at. So yeah, but no, that's looking very promising actually, I'd say, looking at that. Hang on, wrong one. Yeah, look, oh wow, yeah, we've got plenty of cutoff there now, heaps of cutoff. Just make sure that we're still on 6.3 volts. We haven't creeped up a wee bit. No, we're on 6.3, which is good. the cutoff now. Wow. Yeah, this should actually produce a good picture. Yeah, that's well, going by what this thing reads. We'll turn the filament voltage down. We'll turn it down a bit. Holy crap. Turn it down to what's that? 5 volts. Well, at 5 volts, it's starting to drop now. It's starting to drop a wee bit now, but say 5.5 volts. Yeah, no, that's fine. The tube appears to be good. All right. Okay, well that's promising. Now the fun part, applying the mains and seeing what happens, seeing what belches smoke or explodes in my face. Not that I really want any explosions in my face on a Sunday afternoon. Thank you very much. All right, I might just temporarily pause and plug everything in, and we'll see what happens. Back in a tick. All right, I've got the variac hooked up. Watt meter there. And this watt meter only kicks in at around about 120 volts, so it kind of reads a bit inaccurate until it gets a bit of power up its jacksy. There's something humming away there, probably the power transformer, and about now it'll probably start. Oh, there we are. So that's about what's that? 128 volts at the moment. It's 128 volts. Half an amp. Dropping. It'll be the caps reforming. That'll be the power supply caps reforming. Those caps. I don't trust those caps. Just bang. No, won't there be any explosions, hopefully. Yeah, there we are. Probably these shitty old caps reforming. 50 watts, that's half an amp. That's reasonably high. I don't really want to go poking my fingers down there just yet. I really want to go. What do I do? Go poke my fingers down there. Nah. Oh, hang on. No. Oh well, let's just see what happens. Let's just let's increase that voltage and see what happens. Oh, I hear a bit of vertical raster. Yep, I can hear a bit of frame buzz there. I can hear the transformer rattling away. What are we on now? 145 volts. Still half an amp. That, I don't know. Don't have any picture yet. No sound either. Okay. No magic smoke as of yet. Vertical's running, so that's a good start. And it's certainly not the indication that it's partially running. I can't smell anything getting super hot. .45 volts. Let's increase it to about 180. 173 now. Yep. Hear the vertical transformers sort of carrying on, complaining a wee bit. No sound at all. At all, no sound, no nothing. HT is there. Oh no, hello, hello. No, we've actually got a wee bit of EHT happening there actually. So definitely something going on. Kids, don't try this at home. too lazy to pull up my high voltage probe, you see, so maybe just not enough things to. If you've got no audio, that's for sure. Would have Junior audio. Junior funny, generally sound's always the first thing to sort of come on, but obviously not in this case. Well, the fact that we've got some EHT would indicate that the obviously the flyback's all right. Let's give it a little bit more. Okay, we've definitely got some EHT now. I can hear it. I can hear it fizzing away. Oh. Okay, we definitely have life. There's life in them hills, John boy. Oh God, did I just say that? Yes, I did. It's been a long weekend, so all right. Well, that's promising, I guess. It's probably still not. Nothing smells hot. Oh no, that actually that filter cap is getting warm. That cap there is definitely warmer than what it should be. That one there, that one there. That is definitely warm. So keep an eye on that. Here's my EHT probe. Let's have a look and see what we're getting out of there. Sweet 10/8's a bugger all. Okay, now these something's not. No, something's definitely not happy. Something's not happy. Should be a bit more EHT than that. I did give it a bit more. It's definitely there. It's definitely got raster there. Hang on, one of these is one of these contrast. Oh, that's vertical hold. The frame was changing. One's probably AGC, I think one's contrast. Let's give it a bit more, the old mains and see what happens. What are we at? 193. Yeah. I don't trust that cap. That cap might go bang. That's nearly an amp. That's something's not happy. That's drawing nearly an amp. That's drawing nearly at 700 mil. It's nearly an amp. Yeah, something's not very happy. But it proves that flyback's okay, picture tube's all right, yoke's okay, vertical output frame stage is working. Just the rest of it kind of isn't. We have no audio either, which is interesting because generally audio is the first thing that generally come alive with these things. I can't really want to. Yeah. Oh, that's probably audio output tube possibly as well. Keeping an eye on that current. Something down there is making a funky noise. Something down there is making a real funky noise. I smell hot, angry resistors down there. I'd say, I reckon we've got a shorted cap or something down there. Something's not happy. Something is not happy at all down there. Oh, that's hot. Kind of be inclined to run it until something goes bang, but no, not that bloody rip, shit and bust. Yeah, something down there is not very happy, and I don't know. I'm guessing all you guys saw was all this for a little while. Sorry about that. But yeah, no, sounds like something's sizzling. Oh, that looks quite wet down there. What's the bet? I can almost put money on it. There's a Ducon cap down there. Get the camera on it. That one, without trying to. What's the bet? That there is shorted. That cap. I can almost put money on it. It looks all shiny and fresh, like fresh wax. I bet that's the culprit. That bugger there, I bet you. Let's turn it on again and see if it starts bubbling. What a good thing to do. What a crazy thing to do. Yeah, it's looking pretty hot and sweaty, that thing. Yeah. We've got no picture at all. Still got HT there, but no picture. No. There's a very funky smell coming from somewhere down there now. A very, very funky, hot smell. I don't think I actually want to continue running that anymore. Oh yeah, that cap is that. Yep. Oh shit, that cap is rather warm. That one down there, that one that's that mother there. That cap is virtually put my finger on it and it almost burnt my finger. So I think before we go any further with this, I might pay to change that cap. Which means I've got to take this friggin' chassis out. Yay! Oh, well, I might actually leave that for another video. I think a separate video. But at least we confirmed that, yeah, picture tube's okay, flyback's okay, frame output stage is working, the general bones of it seem to be quite intact. Yeah. I mean, that's running quite, that's also, that filter cap's quite warm to the touch, although that wouldn't stop it from going. But yeah, certainly that electrolytic down on there. Yeah, that is quite hot. So whatever that is, probably a 0.1 or a 0.0047. It's probably the boost cap or high voltage cap of some kind. Actually, where's it going to? Ah, there's your. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry, I keep looking over the top of the camera. So you got your VDR there. Supply rail, there's a resistor there, probably about a 100k resistor. Oh, for goodness sake, sorry about this, guys. 100k resistor, let's go straight to that cap. Probably that, yeah, the 100k is quite warm, so it'd be a supply to the line stage, something like that. So, yep, I think we will definitely replace that before we go any further. Might be a case of actually just snipping the, I think for now, I'll probably just cut it off and just tack something across the top of it in the meantime. Yeah, you can see it's all, yeah, look at it, it's all spewing its guts out. Typical bloody wax caps. God, I hate them. Mind you, I suppose it's better than having other things go up and smoke like irreplaceable yokes and loppies and things like that. So it could be far worse. But yeah, that's probably why it's not doing what it should. So yeah. All right. Well, I might just leave it here, and because it is okay. It's just about getting on towards dinner time, so I might go and have some tea, and you never know. I might even come back later on and actually snip that cap out and replace it and see what happens. So yeah, there could even be a part 3 to this video. You never know. All right, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another installment.